Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Geeta Khatri and you are watching Scholar. Children, do you remember when you were a small kid what you used to do? You liked to play all the time. You used to have a lot of fun at that time, right? So look at her. Who is she? Yes, she is a cat's child, the kitten. In this poem, Kitten at Play, you will see how she is having fun playing with the dried leaves falling from the tree. Although she is small, but still she is very skilled. So let's start. Explanation of the first paragraph. See the kitten on the wall. That means the kitten is sitting on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall. Leaves are falling from the tree and the kitten is playing with these leaves. Sporting means playing. Withered leaves 1, 2 and 3 falling from the elder tree. Withered means dried. The dried leaves are falling from the tree. The tree which is old and has a short trunk with purple black sour berries. The kitten is having fun playing with these leaves. Through the calm and frosty air of the morning bright and fair. The atmosphere is calm and cool since it is the morning time. So, you have watched the kitten playing. She was doing all the activities and you saw how skilled she was. She was playing in the garden with the leaves that were falling from the elderly tree. The tree is called elderly because it is about 15 meters high with a short trunk and sour berries. That means it is an adult or old tree. The atmosphere was cold and chilly. It was the morning time. The second para describes the preparation of the kitten to catch its prey. You know who is a prey? Prey is an animal hunted for food. As the kitten is playing with the leaves, so here prey are the leaves. Explanation of the second paragraph. See the kitten how she starts. Crouches, stretches, paws and darts. Crouches means bending close to the ground. See how the kitten is bending close to the ground and sitting. Stretches mean extending one's arm or body parts. Paws means feels or scraps with a paw or hoof. Now see how the kitten is scraping using her paws. With a tiger leap halfway, now she meets her coming prey. The kitten is jumping like a tiger to catch her prey, and here her prey are the leaves. Prey means an animal hunted for food. As the kitten is playing with leaves, so here prey are the leaves. She is trying to catch the leaves. Lets it go as fast and then has it in her power again. That means the kitten let her prey go as fast as it can. Then it runs after it to catch it. That means she is in her power again. So the kitten prepares herself by doing different activities to catch its prey. She crouches, that means bends close to the ground. Stretches, that means extends her body parts. Then quickly and suddenly jumps by her paws like a tiger, that means a tiger leap to catch her prey. She lets her prey go at first, then suddenly jumps and catch it quickly. This is how she plays with her victim, that means her prey. And here she is playing with the leaves are her prey. Explanation of the third paragraph. Now she works with 3 and 4 like an Indian conjurer. Conjurer means magician. That means the kitten is now working just like an Indian magician. Just like the magician plays tricks, in the same manner the kitten is playing tricks with the prey. Quick as he in feats of art, gracefully she plays her part. That means as the magician is quick and skilled, in the same manner the kitten has her own style which is being exhibited in her activities. Yet were gazing thousands there, what would little Tabby care? That means thousands of people are watching the kitten's activities still. The little Tabby, that means the kitten, is busy playing and having fun without caring for anyone. In the third para, the kitten is compared to a conjurer. Conjurer is a magician. As a magician plays tricks, in the same manner, the kitten is playing tricks with her prey. Her skilled movements are just like a magician. You have seen just now in the second para how she was playing with the prey. The kitten is carelessly doing her activities and she is very focused. She doesn't care about anyone. Even if thousands of people are watching her activities, still she is very careless, she is very free, she is doing her activities freely and carelessly. She is playing, she is catching her prey, she is doing different kinds of activities, she is stretching her body, she is extending her body parts, she is crouching, she is bending, she is jumping. Everyone is watching, but she is not caring about anyone. Gracefully means with a style. Feats of art here means skills. She is showing her style, her skills carelessly. This poem was written by William Wordsworth. He's a very famous poet and he has written many poems. And you know some facts about cats. A cat sleeps 16 to 18 hours a day, much more than humans. And you know, cats can jump approx 7 times their height. How amazing! So this was your lesson, Kitten at Play. Wait for another lesson. Till then, stay tuned by subscribing our channel. Press the red button, then hit the bell, then press all to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Till then, bye-bye.